Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, you should see the Health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And right here on the list of devices, you should see your Honor Band 7. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll through this page and find the option called Watch Face Market. And to open the market page, tap on More right here. And right here you should see the list of watch faces you can download on your smartband. So scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to download. Once you find it, tap on it. Here we have some info about the watch face, and once you decide to download it, tap on download button. It's gonna start downloading and installing. And after it's done, it should be applied on your smartband. Like this. And you can download multiple watch faces if you like to. So find something else, for example, and download it also. Like this. And once you download some of the watch faces and you want, for example, to change them, switch between them, you can do it on the smartband by opening the watch face menu, or you can go back to the store page, tap on Me, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our smartband. And you can tap on one and then tap on Apply to apply it. You can also remove the watch faces by tapping on the band icon and then delete. And the watch face will be removed from this page. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.